Hello students, welcome to GK class. Now before we continue with our previous topic, let us see what we are going to do today. So today first we are going to recall what we did in our previous class. And then again we are going to continue with the topic world around us. And the assignment will be given to you and the last will be the summary of the class. So first, let's have a recall of our previous class and the topic was world around us. Now students, how we are going to do this is listen carefully. I am going to ask you a question related to the video which we have seen before. And you have to pause and you have to say the answer. If you are not able to speak, think because you have lot of time. Think and then say the answer and then you have to play the video. First question is, which animal has 3 hearts? I repeat, which animals has 3 hearts? So what you have to do, you have to pause the video and think and then play, okay? And the answer is octopus. Octopus have 3 hearts. Next, which is the biggest bird in the world? Which is the biggest bird in the world? And again what you have to do, you have to pause the video and think what we have read. And the answer is ostrich. Next, which is the smallest bird in the world? I repeat, smallest bird in the world. So again what you have to do, pause the video, be a good student and follow the rules what I am saying. Okay, pause the video and think what is the answer. And the answer is hummingbird. Next, which country have white elephants? White elephants I am talking about. You have to pause the video again. And the answer is Thailand. And which is the tallest statue, do you know? I know we have not done this, but try to figure it out which is the tallest statue in India. Okay, and I'll give you the answer later. Next. And now let's continue with our topic world around us. Now the next question is, which is the slowest animal in the world? And the answer is three-toed sloth. Yes, this is the animal three-toed sloth. This is the slowest animal in the world. Now these are the slowest animal in the world native to America. They can only move with a maximum speed of 0.003 miles per hour. Three-toed sloths won't move farther than 100 feet in a day. Next. Which fish can fly, swim and walk on the land? And the answer is Guinea fish. Guinea fish is also called flying fish. Flying fish is one of the most interesting types of fish due to its ability to glide through the air. Which is the largest city in the world? Largest city. And the answer is Tokyo, Japan. The 150 largest cities in the world. The largest city in the world by population is Tokyo, Japan, with a population of 38,001,000. So I repeat, 150 largest cities in the world. The largest city in the world by population is Tokyo, with a population of 38,001,000. Next. What are the young ones of the frogs called? Tadpoles. Frogs begin their lives as tadpoles that are hatched in the water from tiny jelly-covered eggs. The mother frog will lay thousands of eggs at one time. So imagine having thousands of brothers and sisters. Tadpoles are born with gills just like a fish so that they can breathe underwater. They have a big head as you can see in the picture, okay, and a long tail. They definitely do not look like frogs yet. Which is the longest river in the world? You can see in the picture also, and the answer is Nile. The Nile has a length of about 6,695 kilometers. The river Nile is in Africa. The Nile flows into the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile receives its name from the Greek Nilos, which means a valley or river valley. Which is the largest desert in the world? Largest desert in the world, and the answer is Sahara Desert. The word Sahara is an Arabic word for desert. The Sahara Desert is located in North Africa. The Sahara Desert is huge. It covers an area 3.6 million square miles and it's still growing. The Sahara is one of the most hottest place on earth. Next, despite its large size, only around 2.5 million people live in Sahara Desert. The most common language spoken in Sahara is Arabic. Which one is the only flying mammal on the earth? I repeat, only flying mammal on the earth. And the answer is bat. Bats are only flying mammals while others can only glide. Most bats feed on insects while others eat fruits, fish or even blood. A single brown bat can catch around 1,200 mosquito-sized insects in an hour. Bats are active at night because they can see in the dark using their spatial skills. Bats live in groups and their usual habitat is inside caves, trees or buildings. There are 3 species of vampire bats which feed on only blood. So here we end our today's class. Students, I repeat, whatever I am showing in the video, no need to learn. But we should have the information. It's very general I am talking about. So you should have information about all these. And the exercise part, we will be doing it later. So let's see assignment. The time limit to complete this assignment is 5 minutes. And you also have to mention time taken by you. First question, name the largest desert in the world. You have to write this question and the answer also. Next, name the longest river in the world. You have to write the answer, to just specify the name, that's it. And where you are going to write this? You are going to write this in your R&B.